Take a look at this 2011 Ford Ranger. Carfax has certified this Ranger as having one owner. This Ranger has just under 30,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Ranger boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 877-849-9884 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.